going to be showing you how to make pancakes. They're not getting flat and not burning. Show that to my mum. And I'm going to be showing you 2 recipes. So they're going to be so good when I eat them. And I also need to get the ingredients ready. So please thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get ready. Sorry about that, guys. I got all the ingredients and tools you'll need. Let me show you the first tool. So the first tool you need will be a spatula or a flipper, whatever you call them. I call them a spatula. It's not really a spatula. It's more like a thingy what you like flip stuff with. You need at least 1, maybe 2 tablespoons. Let me get 2 out. I've got 1 black. Or I'll get 1 silver. 2 of them. We need sugar. So this is the first recipe. The first recipe includes some stuff and another recipe doesn't include some stuff. Flour. I can't believe it's butter, so it's just butter. A sieve and some oil. That's for the first recipe. I've got some other secret ingredients up here for the second. So first batch is so you need. I don't really have a measuring cup, but I would say you need about 100 grams of, maybe about 1 to 200 grams of flour, depending how many you're making for the first one. I'm making 2 for the first one and 2 for the second one. Check. That's enough flour for the next one. Add just enough flour. And then add some sugar. And then you're going to get one of the spoons and you're just going to, like, you can give it a shake, but that takes a really long time. Oh no, it's actually not. Usually last time I did it, it took a really long time. I've just got the little bits of crumbs now. I think this is the sugar mostly. Now you need a spoon to give it a... This is the sugar, to be honest. This is mostly all the sugar. You can add a bit of the sugar. So why don't I get rid of the big chunks? So I got rid of the big chunks and I've just poured big chunk, the small chunks in, like the little crummy bits and carries. So it's just going to look like a floury paste. This is self-raising. No, not self-raising. This is plain flour. So now I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil in. And about 25 grams of butter. 10 grams of butter. And you also need sparkling or spring water. So I've added the oil and butter. So now I'm just gonna squish it up. Hi, Pups.
Hello, my little darling. Are you doing a video?
Yeah. I'm making pancakes
Are
because
you?
Mummy said I can. What do you want?
Oh, I've got my phone here. I was looking for my phone. I've got it here.
So guys, I'm gonna show you in a minute. So I think why don't